Albert Mata, and this is my video for the application for my math time quiz. I changed the name here, and I changed the icon, and then I also added the time, the date, and a Hoover color here, and a red color when the counter starts timing, and also it's gonna change. This button is gonna change to blue when when the test has gone through. So I start here. So if I go here and I take my time, I most likely I'm gonna let it assume the time so it shows the error. It's actually going through the whole time and it says you didn't finish it on time. So I close. And this is that's changing the color and I can start the quiz again. So this is my video. Thank you very much. Bye.